Hey guys, I'm out here in the parking lot and I just wanted to show y'all my Landcruiser 200 series. I got a 2010 and I've been working on it for a little over half a year now, almost a year, and I'm really proud of it. So I just want to show y'all my build. It's kind of like a camping and everyday driving build that I have for this car that I'm really starting to like a lot. So I'm gonna have all the stuff that I have on my car down in the description, and I hope you like it. So let's get started. So here she is. Absolutely beautiful car. Literally my favorite car I've ever owned in my entire life. I love it so much. It's so sick. This car's been in my family since maybe 2012. My dad bought her and he's had her for a long time. She's got about 245,000 miles on it now. I had a Tacoma before this, but I wanted to buy this for my dad because he was thinking about getting rid of it. I didn't want him to, so it was good to sell this Tacoma, have some money in the bank, buy this for my dad for a reasonably decent, not too decent, good price. But I've had more fun with this car than the Tacoma with any other car that I've ever had. So let's get started. We're just gonna go around the whole front and I'll show you everything about it. To start off, I got this grill off of eBay for 80 bucks. It was chrome, but I spray painted it black. Then I zip tied this logo to it, as you can see, and put the classic 3-color emblem that all the Toyota drivers, I guess, have all the time. And then we got this Landcruiser, this front license plate. I think I got it off of Etsy, just kind of to cover the holes that they had right there from stock. I put in some Oxydo headlights in here that I was able to twist around and make sure it was leveled off so I wasn't blinding everybody with it. My dad already had the car with the old Man Emu Lift, and I got some 24 tires on here. And you know, it's pretty expensive. I would have never done it for myself. Stock is still perfectly fine, but man, it makes the car look pretty freaking cool. So I'm glad that they had that. We have these OEM window visors, which is great for camping if you want to roll down the window on the highway or keep them rolled down while you're sleeping in the car and it's raining. It's been very helpful, and I just think it looks really, really cool. Of course, anything that has a Landcruiser logo on it's going to be put on the car, you know what I'm saying? I got this decal from probably AliExpress or something, just super cheap for the Heritage Edition. And I just smacked it on there. I don't think I have it on level, but we're chilling. And then these vinyl black stickers I put on the Landcruiser logo on the back hatch, just so that it can pop out a little bit and people can actually see it's a Landcruiser because I got a flex, you know? And I think that should be it for the outside, other than I also put some of the OEM wipers on there just because there's nothing better than the OEM, you know, to get that nice, beautiful glide across your windshield. Coming in now to the driver's seat. I'm gonna start off with these one-stone armrests. They were kind of, I feel like when I bought them, they were a bit of a waste of money and I was kind of going crazy, but when I put them on and I put my arm on it for the first time, it's pretty nice. I recommend it. I got this wonky steering wheel cover that you have to sew on yourself. It makes it look very, very tight and very, very OEM as well. My biggest, I guess, going into this, doing this build, I wanted the car to just remain as OEM as possible. With everything that I did, I didn't want it to look too crazy or too overbuilt. So that was my goal, to put as much stuff as I can in it without actually changing a big part or look of the car. We got the what's it called, drink holder upgrade. It's very, very popular on I Hate Mud, but it's just some guy 3D printed them out. I think he sells them on Etsy or something, and the old like cup holders just sucked so bad. I had to change it. The biggest thing I hate about having a car is like rattling when I'm turning or going over speed bumps, so I did everything I could to mitigate rattling in my car. That's why I also have these little inserts that I have everywhere for rubber, also in there at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, yeah. Just to mitigate that rattling whenever I am doing that. I have this mag charger, kind of like, I got this mag charger off of Amazon, and I just super glued it to one of those car mounts, just because it's really good. So you can like plug it in, you can charge the phone while it's mounted up on there, and it's just, I like having the ability to attach my phone to the dash without having to put one of those little metal things in the back of my case. And this little charger port's really nice too. It's got like retractable chargers. I like keeping the car clean as much as I can and not cluttered, and I really like that a lot. One of my favorite upgrades I made this car, and also one of the first and more expensive upgrades, was the CarPlay. What I really wanted for CarPlay was to keep like my factory screen, keep the factory functions, the steering wheel buttons, the audio all still good. And I found this company called Crown Focus, I think down in Australia. And all you gotta do is hold down this little decline button on the steering wheel, it turns into CarPlay. And it starts up automatically. When you get into the car, it's super fast, super smooth. It makes the audio, I think, even better in the Landcruiser than it was originally. And I am just like, if out of everything in my car, I'm the happiest with how this turned out. They have instructions with how to install it yourself. I did it myself, it took like 6 hours. I took the whole console out, but you could just probably bring it to some kind of car audio guy and he'll do it for you. But I just wanted to save a little bit of money, and it turned out fun. It's awesome, and I can just switch it back whenever I want to the factory screen. It's so sick. All right, and to finish up with the front, I got these little crevice covers, which are a game changer, lifesaver. If you know, you know. Food is not ever gonna fall down those cracks ever again. I replaced all the lights in my car with LED little bulbs from Amazon, super cheap and super easy to do. I kept the warm light because I like it best, but it's definitely good. Like if you accidentally leave your light on overnight, and you don't want, like I've left my lights on overnight one time after doing this, and the car battery still started up after having that on all night. So I'm really glad that I did that. It's just put a little less stress on your battery. I'm sure it'll help, you know. And my phone just overheated, so sorry about that. I'm back. It's hot as sweaty balls out here. It's middle of July in Utah, so let's just get back into it. I got these courtesy lights on the door. It lights up the ground. It's super bright. I love it for like puddles, camping. I don't know, who cares? It looks sweet. In here we got more of that mat and a little compartment to put over the cooler box that I never use except for super occasionally. And I think that should be it for the front. The last thing would be I have put a one of those flasher relays. I forgot what it's called, but it basically makes my turning indicator. I'll definitely put it in the description, but like after having that Tacoma, I got really used to like the auto turn indicator, and I got back to this, it didn't have it. So it's really nice to be able to just flick it down, and it does like 4 little indications. It's not gonna work when it's closed, but you know, you get the idea. You press it down and you pull it back up, and it's just gonna do 4 by itself. It didn't have that before, now it does. Flasher relay, that's what it is. So let's get back to the back of the car. I'm just gonna blow through it really fast. I don't want my phone to overheat again. It's crazy bad out here. I put a little HDMI converter on that yellow, white, red little port that they have for this TV, so anybody back here can just plug it in and you know, put their phone up, screen play it to that TV. It's just kind of nice to have instead of having to worry about discs and stuff. And I think the only thing left back here is I have this Blue Ridge attic, which is good to put some little stuff in, some clothes, some pickleball paddles, whatever. It's really sweet. Now, the biggest thing that I put back on my car that I'm most proud of is this sleeping platform. I built it by myself from, you know, Home Depot, and I'm so proud of it. Like they cut it all up for you, everything you need. If y'all want me to show you how to build one of these, I can. I'm not going to go too in depth for it, but basically I put down the second row of seats, and I have another part that slides over the top and has some more legs, and it makes like the biggest car camping sleeper system I've even ever heard of. It's awesome. And to go with it, I have this bodega fridge. I'm still seeing how I like it. I don't really know yet, but the best part is it fits under here. And I got my Delta 2 Max powering that, and charging the Delta 2 Max is the EcoFlow alternator charger that's on this Molly panel that just fits right into that third row seat thing that pops out as soon as I pull that lever. It's super sick. It's getting really, really clean. I'm really proud of it, but still don't know about this bodega fridge, but I might keep it because it's the only thing I found that could fit under here. And last thing, I also got this cargo area cover that is just like the third row delete for the Landcruiser. It was only like 50 bucks at the Toyota like dealership. It was such a sweet deal. It's so cool. It looks awesome. It's got like a little car and stuff. I don't know where, driving around, who knows, but it says Landcruiser, that's all that matters. And you got our window covers that I have over there that I cut out myself. And other than that, I think that's everything so far. I love this car so much. Oh, completely forgot about this. Some little lights I got from Amazon for the cargo area. And then this needs some work, but this is a little hatchback kit, so I could press this button and open up the trunk from the inside, which just, you know, it's like a big payback for all the times I was stuck in the back of this car when I was little and they forgot about me. Finally let myself out. I love this car. It's amazing. Let me know if you guys want to see my camping setup. I have like an all electrical setup that I have going on, or I'm trying to have going on, with an induction stove, with the EcoFlow, with like a electric kettle, like all that stuff. It's sweet. Let me know if you want to see my camping setup. Let me know if you want to know how to build one of those sleeping platforms in the back of your Landcruiser. Let me know if there's something I should add, and if you have any questions. Yeah, it's sweet. Landcruisers are the best. Peace out.